Picture style, auto, standard, portrait, landscape, fine detail, neutral, faithful, monochrome, user-defined 1 to 3. Viewfinder type, eye-level pentamirror with approximately 95% horizontal/vertical coverage with eye point of approximately 19 mm. Eye point, approximate 19 mm, from eyepiece lens center at -1 m1, magnification, approximate 0.87x, -1 m1 with 50 mm lens at infinity. Built-in dioptric adjustment, approximate -3.0, plus 1.0 m1, dpt. Focusing screen, fixed, precision matte. Mirror, quick return type, depth of field preview provided.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Channel, click bell button. Subscribe JP Store 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 channel, click bell